Hey everyone, it's time for the latest GoSkills Excel challenge. This month's challenge was submitted by our community member, Ilgar Zabariev. Follow along and see if you can solve it yourself. Alright everyone, let's take a look at this month's GoSkills Excel challenge. Our scenario involves this messy Excel file filled with sales data. So, imagine your boss comes to you with a request. Hey, I need to award bonuses to the top performing managers. So take this data and give me a report showing the total sales per manager by year. Well, your challenge is to clean up and transform this messy data into a format that gives your boss exactly what they need. You're going to start by opening up the Excel file and checking out the worksheet named Dataset. Then use Power Query to transform the pivoted layout into a clean tabular format that's ready for analysis. Then load the transformed data back into Excel and create a pivot table that clearly shows total sales by manager and year. And make sure your solution is flexible, dynamic, and ready for additional filtering or slicing if needed. So this Excel challenge is going to test your skills, how to unpivot data, build transformation logic in Power Query, create pivot tables, and using all of it to do some data-driven decision making. So, are you ready to get started? Download the file, launch Power Query, and let's see how well you can turn this messy data into meaningful insights. Good luck.
Do you have what it takes to complete this challenge? To get started, click the link below to download all the files you need. Let us know how you're doing in the comments section. Or, even better, join the GoSkills Slack channel and chat with other Excel pros about your progress. Link in the description. If you'd like to know the solution to this challenge, hit that subscribe button and get notified when the next video drops with all the step-by-step instructions on how to solve it. Good luck, everybody!